Having a car escape tool handy in your glove box, center console, attached to your keychain, or even plugged into your cigarette lighter could one day save your life. Most car escape tools will allow you to break a side window and cut your seat belt, allowing you to get out of your car in a timely fashion. There are numerous options for cheap keychain car escape tool, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable keychain car escape tool from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ztylus Stinger Car Emergency Escape Toolkit. Designed and patented in the US, the Ztylus Stinger Emergency Escape Toolkit features a spring-loaded glass breaker, seat belt cutter, and a pair of 2.4 amp USB chargers. When the tool is plugged into your car's cigarette lighter, the spring-loaded punch works quickly and easily, but like other escape tools, will only break tempered glass. Unlike other escape tools that are likely tossed into a glove box or center console, this one also serves as a USB charger, so you'll likely always have it within reasonable reach in the case of an emergency. According to Ztylus, the Stinger's seat belt cutter has been tested on a 5,000-pound towing strap, so it will easily cut away your seat belt if necessary. The onboard dual USB ports offers high-speed charging powered by an intelligent circuit design that protects against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrents, and overcharging. This tool is priced similarly to the competition, but you get the added benefit of having USB chargers. The product is available in black or white, as a single unit or 2-pack, and there is even an option for a USB-C charger. The company also offers a Stinger vent mount product, which serves as a phone holder, glass breaker, and seatbelt cutter. Number 2. RESQME Car Escape Tool. The most popular car escape tool available on Amazon comes from RESQME and is available in a variety of colors and quantities. You can purchase a single unit 2-pack or 3-pack at a very affordable price. Color options include black, blue, safety yellow, pink, orange, and red. This tool is extremely compact and fits on your keychain, so you always have it with you in your vehicle. This 2-in-1 tool features a seat belt cutter and car window breaker, allowing you to cut a jammed seat belt and break a side window in your car in the case of an emergency. This product was originally developed for first responders, like firefighters and EMTs, and has become an essential tool for safety-conscious drivers. It is constructed from ABS plastic and stainless steel and made in the US. Attached to your keychain, the tool comes with a detachable clip, allowing you to simply pull it away in the case of an emergency. When pulled away from the clip, it will reveal the blade for the seatbelt cutter. To break a window, you simply press the black head of the tool against the corner of the glass, and it will release the spring-loaded spike and shatter the glass. Keep in mind this tool only works against tempered glass, which is commonly used in side windows. That means it won't work on your windshield, and you should check to make sure your side windows are made from tempered glass. The tool is also reusable, with the spring-loaded spike resetting automatically. Number 3. GOOACC Emergency Escape Tool. The next product on our list is the GOOACC Emergency Escape Tool, but you will likely find many items that are similar in design, style, and features. We included this one on our list because it is the highest rated version on Amazon, likely due to its price. Available in a 2-pack, this tool features a double-sided hammer head with hardened sharp stainless steel points and a sharp razor to cut off the seat belt during emergencies. As a safeguard, the razor blade is recessed in the tool, so you won't accidentally cut yourself with it. It's a fairly compact tool, although not as small as the RESQME option. There's a soft rubber cover on the pointed steel head to help avoid any scratches to your vehicle, while the flat hammer head can be used to clear the broken glass. The top of the tool features a light guide strip, making it easier to find in the case of an emergency. You can also install a mounting base to keep the tool in a fixed location inside your vehicle. Like most other car escape tools, this will only break your side windows and won't work on your windshield. Finished in a deep orange color for easy visibility, this tool features a high-quality ABS plastic cover. Again, there are many products available similar to GOOACC's offering, so if you like this style, you can choose the one that fits your price budget. Number 4. Standard HandyBar Vehicle Emergency Escape Tool. This 3-in-1 product is a bit different than the rest, because it also serves as an automotive safety cane tool for assistance, getting in and out of a car. For normal, day-to-day use, it can attach to a car door latch for leverage, ideal for elderly, injured, or anyone who needs mobility assistance. It fits on any door latch and has a weight capacity of 350 pounds, along with a no-slip ergonomic grip. Just make sure that your vehicle has a door striker or latch with 2 bolts or screws attaching it to the door frame. The HandyBar may not work with your vehicle if it has a door striker bolt rather than a latch. If you do need it to serve as a car escape tool, however, the standard HandyBar can also serve as a window breaker and seatbelt cutter. It's a great all-in-one solution if you need a product that assists in getting you in and out of your car. Standard's products come with a 100% satisfaction and lifetime guarantee. Number 5. Luxon 7-in-1 Emergency Toolkit. If you want to invest into a tool you'll find yourself using outside of emergencies, the Luxon 7-in-1 features a car safety hammer, seatbelt cutter, red indicating light, magnet, LED flashlight, USB charger, and hand cranking charging system for emergencies, along with having your standard window breaker and sharp razor blade to cut seat belts. The LED light could come in handy as a flashlight in the dark. The built-in USB charger is mostly designed for emergency situations, but this tool does have a built-in 2600 mAh battery. The emergency light has 3 modes: high, low, and strobe. You can also use it as a warning light if you happen to stop your car on the side of the road. With a built-in magnet, this tool can be placed on the hood of your car to serve as an SOS beacon. The company says its lamp life is approximately 50,000 hours depending on usage. The Luxon 7-in-1 emergency tool comes with a 1-year, hassle-free warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.